This video will guide you through reviewing a real estate purchase agreement. Reviewing this agreement is crucial for both buyers and sellers to understand the key terms and implications before signing, and is a popular project request on the Contracts Council platform. If you've received a real estate purchase agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided additional information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a real estate purchase agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for real estate purchase agreements. Real estate purchase agreements are legally binding agreements that can significantly impact the purchase or sale of real estate. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Contingencies. Contingencies are conditions that must be met for the sale to proceed. Review all contingencies such as financing, inspection, and appraisal contingencies. These clauses protect both parties if certain conditions aren't met. Closing costs. Understand who is responsible for paying closing costs, property taxes, utilities, and other fees associated with the purchase. Disclosure requirements. Ensure all required property disclosures are included. These may involve known defects, environmental hazards, and other material facts. This also may take some research. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a real estate purchase agreement. They can ensure the contract is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We've included a link in the description to help you find a lawyer. Key terms to understand. Real estate purchase agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the legal names and details of all parties involved are correctly stated. 2. Purchase price and earnest money deposit. Confirm the total purchase price and the amount of earnest money deposit. Understand the conditions under which the deposit can be refunded. 3. Property condition and inspections. Review clauses about property condition, required inspections, and repair requests. 4. Financing. Check the details regarding any financing contingencies, mortgage terms, and deadlines for securing financing. 5. Title and survey. Understand the requirements for a clear title and any survey obligations to ensure the property boundaries are accurate. 6. Closing and possession dates. Review the agreed-upon closing date and when possession of the property will be transferred. 7. Homeowner association and other fees. Check for any HOA fees or other recurring costs that must be covered. And 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your real estate purchase agreement is always recommended. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on our data, the average cost to review a real estate purchase agreement is $620 on a flat fee. This is based on 25 recent projects from across all U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a real estate purchase agreement is critical in ensuring a successful property transaction and protecting your interests. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.